Monday to Sunday. Monday, the week begins. Let's go to school. Tuesday are PT shirts. That is the rule. Wednesday, singing classes are so much fun. We dance in the hall. Then outdoors we run. Thursday, it's art and craft, what I love best. Friday, the last working day. It's time to rest. Saturday, homework first. Then play, play, play. Sunday, visit my friends. Hip hip hooray! Days in a month. 30 days in September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31. Only February alone has 28 days, my dear, but 29 in a leap year.